So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And then to watch TUDN on YouTube TV, you got to have either YouTube TV base plan or the Spanish plan. So if you already have the YouTube TV base plan, then you can watch TUDN right away. But if you do not have YouTube TV base plan yet, and you only care to watch TUDN, then I do recommend you just to purchase the Spanish plan for a cheaper prices. And then to buy those plans, on the homepage of YouTube TV, you wanna go to your top right of your screen, and then you wanna click right here on the store icon. And then you wanna click on all to see all the networks. And then here you can either buy the YouTube TV base plan for 60 bucks per month, or you can just buy the Spanish plan for 25 bucks per month. So on either of them, just click on it. And then you want to click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And then to watch TUDN, on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you want to search for TUDN. And here on TUDN network, you want to click on it. And then you may scroll down and see the live session of TUDN. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch TUDN network on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.